Welcome. Reading Star JM Kids TV. A for apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. B for ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. C for cat. C-A-T. Cat. D for dog. D-O-G. Dog. E for elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. F for fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. G for grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. H for hen. H-E. Hen. I for ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. J for jug. J-U-G. Jug. K for kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. L for lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. M for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. N for nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. O for ocean. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. P for parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Q for queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. R for rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. S for swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. T for tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. U for umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. V for van. V-A-N. Van. W for watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. X for Xmas. X-M-A-S. Xmas. Y for York. Y-A-K. York. Z for zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra.